Oh my god. We're getting snow, Mario. We got 1 to 3. 1 to 3 plus 12, 8 to 12 plus another 1 to 3. That equals 12 to 18, Mario. Can you stop looking like a buffoon? 12 to 18. Oh my god, we're gonna get killed! Ah! Twinkle, twinkle, what the hell is this?
Garbage. Hold on, Dad.
Mario, I gotta ask the Google something. Hey Google. How much snow we're getting?
There's no snow expected today.
That's stupid Google. Mario,
It's resetting.
put it louder.
It's resetting.
Of course it is! Can you make it louder when it fully resets? Because I didn't hear what it said.
Google.
Make it louder. Who's playing that freaking thing? Screw it, I'm done.
Why is your Christmas deck? Is there a coffee maker here?
Yeah, clear it off my bed! There's too much shit all over it! Luckily we don't live in this town because they're gonna see warm and 55-degree weather. And like 300 inches of rain. We're gonna get 300 inches of snow. Actually, we're gonna get about, I don't know, 12 to 18. I'm not saying the exact number because every time I say 18 inches it ends up being 6 inches. Pisses me off. We see a nice color.
Hey guys,
These
you
cup.
can play the Song of Storms on here.
Yes, I know, weird stranger.
High 25. Winds lightly variable.
Uh-oh.
Tonight, mostly cloudy skies.
What the heck? What is that? Ew. That's nice. Ooh, what is this name? Shut up, Box! No! Watch it, it's gonna be 30 rain. Bring this to you. Oh, no.
Here in Washington, D.C., Mayor Muriel Bowser, of course, opens up funds and opens up.
Did you just say Bowser? No, Mario.
No more rain. Oh, snake.
Not getting rain. Somebody say Bowser! When he closes the door, it's gonna get loud in here. Hey, Google! Turn louder. Hey Google, how much snow are we getting tomorrow?
There'll be snow tomorrow in Derry with about 4.32 centimeters of snow.
4. I'm gonna throw that thing in the garbage! Oh, it's probably, hold on. Hey Google! Hey Google! Oh my god, you know, screw this. What's it doing? Oh, no, whatever.
Hey, Google. When is it going to snow?
No. How much snow we're getting tomorrow night? Uh-oh.
Dad, it's resetting again.
Oh, what the heck? That thing's broken. That thing is
popping now.
New York, I'm Nicholas Ollie Boston.
No, it's not popping it.
You see what I'm talking here. That place
Come on, show the Northeast. I don't give a shit about this place. Come show the Northeast. Who cares? They're gonna get 2 inches of snow.
All right, look at this. We'll focus on your city while I'm talking about it.
TV popped.
Dad, shut up!
How's that?
It's a ghoul.
Here you go.
Hey, ghoul. Hey, ghoul. Hey, ghoul.
Get the...
When is it going to rain?
West of Chicago. Polito put down over
Rain in Derry today. There's a moderate chance of scattered rain on Friday from about.
No, I missed it!
That's just sound like a freaking earring.
I don't care! This big thing's gonna come up you! I can't wait!
Dad, what's the box doing?
Turn the box off! I can't hear the TV!
Could be looking at that from coastal portions.
Dude, they're gonna be warm.
Connecticut, western Long Island here into New York City. So big heads up. So what is a blizzard? There's actually
Gonna get a blizzard. Going to get a blizzard.
You gotta have winds, either sustained or frequent gusts that are at least 35 miles per hour. You also need visibility to come down to under a quarter of a mile, and all that has to happen for at least 3 hours. Now, if it only happens 2 hours, guess what? It's officially a blizzard. Now, for you, if you're in it, it would be, right? At least it feels like it, but officially it would not be considered a blizzard. Snowfall amount does not matter, temperature does not matter, and geographical location does not matter either when it comes to qualifying as a blizzard. You see how the winds will start to get going here?
We're gonna be right in this color. So look at the darkness there. Look where we are. We're gonna be right there. Well, why else a part of it? Ooh, heavy snow.
There's NYC. The top of the screen showing you those wind gusts over 35 miles per hour at times with snowfall recently heavy.
Dad.
It is not going to be an easy time to do.
Dad.
Why?
Why is there so much phones? Look.
I don't give a crap. No.
Dad, look.
Oh, this guy's arrested.
Down in the south as well, but Winter Storm Orlena is continuing a trend.
Ugh. I don't want to look at that. Hello, AC.
Dad.
What?
Why is there so much phones?
Look,
Dad.
Mario, where you getting all these freaking damn bones?
Come crashing through tonight, 9, 10, 11 o'clock, and of course, then transitions down past Tampa through Orlando.
No, don't play your stupid Weather Channel music. You go to a freaking ad.
Time to go in the morning tomorrow, so watch out for some damaging winds.
No! No!
All right,
No.
more coverage. Keep it here. We'll
No!
be back.
No! 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 Mario, get your ass over here. Where's the whip? No! I didn't do nothing. Oh my God, where's my whip? You know what? I'm gonna use the stronger. I'm gonna use the one with the sharp ends. Mario,
Hi.
how much snow you think we're gonna get?
12 inches.
Alright, just stay right there. Ah! Mario, ass, please! Get this thing out of here! Ah! Ass, please!
Dad, plug it in.
It's plugged in. Not! Idiot. Mario, ass, please! Snoo! We're getting a lot! Would you please shut up? 8 minutes of this crap! But we're getting 12 to 18 inches of snow. Shut up, you stupid rhetorist. Oh my God, I can't take it. What are you doing? I'm sick of you.